Hello everyone. So today in this video we will see how to install the C++ compiler and configure our PC and VS Code for writing the C programs and running them successfully. So let's start. So to install the C compiler at first, we need one software, that is a MingW. So let me clarify you first what is a GCC and what is a MingW. GCC basically stands for GNU Compiler Collection. It is a collection of programming languages compilers, including compilers of C, C++, Ada, Fortran and other languages. And MingW stands for Minimalistic GNU for Windows. And by using the MingW and the GCC, we can write and compile the C programs on our Windows system. So first of all, we need to install MingW. So head over browser, and we do have one site, that is a source force.net. So you can search here, that is MingW compiler. So you will get this website at first. So click on download. So it is basically a very small file. It will get downloaded within a seconds. And after successfully downloaded the file, click over that file and install. So it would take some time to install, basically 2-3 minutes, I think, less than that. So till then, when this program is getting installed, let me create a one folder that named C programming, and we will configure our VS Code for writing the C programs till then. So open the VS Code, and here open that folder, that is the C programming. We have just created C programming, and here let me first of all create one file, that is the hello world.c. Okay, and let's write one program which will print hello world. Include, if you are familiar with the C, you would understand it code. If not, no problem. It's a basic C program which will just print hello world. Okay, so this is for in VS Code. Let us install some extension as well, which will suggest us the code while writing the code, which makes a lot of easier. So add over to the extension, and here search C, C++, and we do have one C, C++ at top. We are saying just install this, and if you want an extension pack as well, you can install, and it is recommending us as well. So install these two extensions and close. So let's see this one. Yeah, our MingW is installed successfully, and then continue. So see here, we need to configure something. Here is a basic setup, right? So in basic setup, we have the different programming language packages. We just need MingW, GCC and G++. If you want to run C and C++ programs, mark the installation and click over installation and apply changes. So it will download and configure the C compiler. So it will take some time. So let's open the PowerShell or command prompt. You can open and check GCC version is installed or not. GCC is installed or not. Version. See, till now also it is telling GCC is not recognized as name of command line. So what happens is, we have successfully installed the it is getting installed basically. We have installed the GCC, but still we don't have configured the path for it. So for that, we need to add the environment variables. So let's do that. So it is installed completely. Close this one, and then search here environment variables, and click on environment variables, and here you are seeing path. Just added this one and add new. So what you will be adding here, I will show you. Just go to this PC and see, and click on MingW, and here is a bin folder, that is our MingW GW is installed, and click on bin and copy this path and add this path to the environment variable, new, and paste. Done. So let us check now, is our GCC is installed or not. So for that I will do GCC version. So still it is not installed because our PowerShell is not reloaded. First of all, let me reopen it. GCC version C. We have successfully installed the GCC. So let me check in the VS Code. It is installed or not. GCC version. I think we will have the same problem. See, GCC is not recognized in internal and external command. We need to reload this one first of all. Let me exit it and reopen it again. And again same command. Okay, GCC version C. It is done. Now about running the C programs, what we need to do is, first of all we need to compile the C file, right? So it is our C program, we have to compile this and we will get the one executable file and we will run that. Like in Python is basically interpreted language, and in but we do there like Python file name dot py and the programs get executed. And similarly in Node.js, if you are using JavaScript, you do node and file name dot .js, so that program get executed. And in the C is the compiled language. So what we need to do is, first of all we need to compile this program. So to compile this program, just do GCC hello. So this is compiling the program, and see, you can see here a.exe, that is the executable file, and you can run that file to execute this program, that is a.exe. See, hello world. So if you do any changes in your program, like let me copy paste it again 3 times and save it, again compile the file and run executable file. You can see 3 times hello world, hello world, hello world. So in this way you can compile your C programs and run in a VS Code. So I hope you understand the process of installing the compiler and configuring and writing the C programs and compiling them. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.